Hey guys, the good folks over at Fondwell sent me over these 8.5-inch bypass pruners. It says hardened carbon steel blades, secure grip, ergonomic, that's it. Handles, self-opening spring. Well, I tell you what, I can't read it because this is in the way. Let's get this opened up. Okay, self-opening spring system and safety locking mechanism. Looks like it comes with an extra little spring thing here. You gotta trim some limbs here. And usually when I'm mowing the yard and whatnot, I carry some in my back pocket, and if it hits me in the top of the head when I'm mowing, it comes off. It does have the little safety release right there. Just push that over. You're in good shape. Nice, soft rubber handles. Really nice. Pretty sharp blade right out of the package. These are hanging low because right back over there is where the last one's pinched my finger and I quit cutting. Oh, that cuts right through that, no problem. This is pretty thick and green. Let's see. Wow, you can cut through that big thick one. That impressive. Well, that didn't take no time. I'll tell you what, if you'd like to get some of these for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. Hey, I am Amazon Associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.